We made it after 4 months and 8 days. We have 100 subscribers on the channel. Thank you for 100 subscribers. My God, this is the first milestone that I have set for myself to cross, and I never thought I would reach there, and it took so long. Right now I have 148 or 49 videos on the channel. Man, it takes so long. It took 4 months and 8 days to get to 100 subscribers. I don't know how many of my subscribers are watching this, maybe 10. That's the average views I get on long videos. So if you have subscribed or have seen at least one of my videos, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate that if you watch those videos, because it takes a lot of my hours to take a single video. You don't know the behind process. If you're not a creator, I'm sure you won't know the background process. It's a really hard task. First, you need to have to come up with an idea to make video on. Then you have to research and find what that idea is. Most of them you don't know yourself. Like, for example, in English I use plural. It's a stupid thing, and you have to check up in the internet to find why I is plural, or if you can use etc etc twice together in a sentence. Such curious doubts that I have myself, I try to answer them. I research and try to find answers of that curious questions that I have, and upload you to give you that knowledge, so you won't be that ignorant like I was. Then you need to actually write the script. I don't write script for long videos. I just make these videos by writing down points. But short videos, I do write script, and I want to make that video to the point. And the entire process from from research to scripting, it would take like an hour. Then the actual process of video making, this is very interesting thing, but you have to cut a lot and you will make a lot of mistakes, and it's quite natural that when I was doing this at first, I made a lot of mistakes. Now the cuts have reduced. Now I can speak more fluently and freely, and I feel more confident here. So the shooting process goes about half an hour to an hour. Then the very hard task, which is editing. My God, it takes like forever to edit a video. For even a 30-second short video, I take like half an hour to 45 minutes to edit that video. And for long videos, it takes longer. It may take 1 hour to 1.5 hours, maybe even 2 hours. Some videos take even 2 hours to edit. I don't realize the time vanishes. For example, if you sit to edit a video at 5 p.m., then when you are done with it, you realize you are at 7 p.m. You don't know where the time goes. So I put in a lot of effort into making these videos, and these are more useful and to the subject, very useful content, to the point, and very informative. Please do check out other videos, because I make this much effort into making videos to give you the right information, and you are not watching that. That's stupid, right? I put a lot of effort to you to give you the best content, but you are not watching. Then what's the purpose of me making videos and some guy sitting here researching for you to give you the right information? Then what's the point? Even last day I posted a community post on I have got 100 subscribers. You know how many likes I got? I think 3 or 2. So you don't even care. Nobody having subscribed is not even reading my posts or watching my videos. Then what's the point of having subscribed in the first place? Please do check them out, because these are so valuable, and I put a lot of effort into making this. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you a lot. I was so happy when I hit 100 subscribers yesterday. There are literally days that I feel so down that I don't want to make videos because nobody is watching. Then why am I making? Then I see one of you subscribers pop up, and I feel motivated instantly, and I take the phone and shoot the next video. It's really sad that I have like 150 videos on the channel, and then I have reached to 100 subscribers just now, and it breaks my heart when I see some channels that don't even have like 20 or 30 videos are doing much better than my channel. Please do watch the other videos, because on an average long videos get like 10 views and it's dead there, and on short videos initially 1 hour or 2 hours I would get like 100 views on some, but then it also dies there and nobody is watching it. I don't know why this is happening. I see clear results only when I'm uploading, then the channel is dead. So do share to your friends. It would be useful for them too. Thank you so much for having subscribed, for having heard me out. I'll be back with another quality useful content. Catch you guys on the next one.